Urban survival gear and gadgets are essential tools for navigating modern urban environments and emergencies. These innovative products blend technology with practicality, offering solutions for shelter, communication, and self-defense. From portable water purifiers to compact first aid kits, urban survival gear equips individuals with the resources needed to thrive during unexpected urban crises. Links to all the products mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 10. Silky Gomboy Curved Professional Folding Saw. The ultimate tool for tackling your outdoor cutting needs. Crafted with precision and innovation, this saw boasts a sleek, ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your hand. Its curved blade, made from high-quality Japanese steel, effortlessly glides through branches, logs, and other woody obstacles with unparalleled efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned outdoors enthusiast, a professional arborist, or a homeowner looking to maintain your garden, the Gomboy Curve offers the perfect balance of power and finesse. Its folding mechanism ensures easy and safe storage, making it an ideal companion on any adventure. Trust in the Silky Gomboy Curve Professional Folding Saw to help you conquer the great outdoors with grace and precision. Experience the cutting edge in cutting tools today. Number 9. Camillus CAMTRX 3-in-1 Survival Hatchet, your ultimate companion for wilderness adventures. This versatile tool combines the power of a hatchet, a saw, and a hammer, all in one compact package. Crafted with precision and durability, its high-carbon stainless steel blade effortlessly chops firewood, while the integrated saw tackles branches with ease. Need to set up camp? The built-in hammerhead drives tent stakes securely into the ground. Whether you're a seasoned outdoorsman or a weekend warrior, the CAMTRX is your go-to survival tool, designed to handle anything nature throws your way. With its ergonomic handle and rugged construction, it's a dependable choice for all your outdoor needs. Don't leave home without the Camillus CAMTRX 3-in-1 Survival Hatchet, the ultimate tool for conquering the wilderness. Number 8. REX Duct Tape, the unparalleled solution for all your toughest, most demanding tasks. This mighty tape is engineered with the power of ferociously strong adhesive and an ultra-durable, waterproof backing, making it the apex predator in the world of duct tapes. Whether you're tackling home repairs, outdoor projects, or crafting, REX Duct Tape's aggressive grip ensures it sticks where others fail, even in extreme temperatures and challenging conditions. Its strength and resilience are unmatched, making it the ideal choice for securing, sealing, and repairing anything from leaks to tears. When you need a tape that roars with reliability and unmatched toughness, trust in REX DUCT Tape to conquer any challenge. It's not just duct tape, it's a beast of a tape that stands strong under pressure. Choose REX and dominate your next project. Number 7. Slumberjack Nightfall 1 Survival Shelter, your ultimate haven in the wilderness. Crafted for adventurers who demand the best, this shelter offers unparalleled protection against the elements. With its innovative design and durable materials, it provides a robust barrier against rain, wind, and cold, ensuring you stay comfortable even in the harshest conditions. The Nightfall 1 sets up quickly and efficiently, thanks to its color-coded poles, and offers ample interior space for one person. Its reinforced floor adds an extra layer of durability, while the ventilation system keeps the air fresh and condensation at bay. Whether you're a solo backpacker, a hunter, or a survivalist, trust in the Slumberjack Nightfall 1 Survival Shelter to be your reliable refuge when adventure calls. Sleep easy under the stars, knowing you're protected by the best in the business. Number 6. S.O.L Firelight Lighter, the ultimate fire-starting tool for adventurers and survivalists alike. Designed to ignite even in the harshest conditions, this compact, weatherproof lighter is your go-to solution for creating fire in an instant. With a simple one-handed operation, it produces a hot, reliable flame at the push of a button, eliminating the struggle of traditional fire-starting methods. Its waterproof casing ensures it remains operational, even when wet, making it an essential addition to your outdoor gear. Whether you're camping, hiking, or preparing for emergency situations, trust the S.O.L Firelight Lighter to spark the flames of warmth, comfort, and survival when you need it most. Don't leave home without it. Light up your adventures with confidence and ease. Number 5. Work Sharp Micro Knife Sharpener and Tool. Your compact yet powerful solution to dull blades and tools. This pocket-sized marvel is designed to keep your edges razor sharp no matter where your adventures take you. Its diamond sharpening rod hones knives, scissors, and a variety of tools with precision and ease. The built-in ceramic honing slot maintains the edge, while a folding handle and pocket clip make it easy to carry on your person or in your toolbox. Whether you're an outdoors enthusiast, a chef, or a DIY enthusiast, the WorkSharp Micro Knife Sharpener and tool is the key to maintaining peak performance from your cutting instruments. With this little powerhouse at your side, you'll always be prepared for sharp success. Sharpen up and take on the world. Number 4. NEMO Scout Synthetic Ultralight Mummy Bag, the ultimate companion for your outdoor adventures. Designed for those who demand performance without compromising on weight, this mummy bag combines cutting-edge technology with lightweight materials to keep you warm and comfortable in the wilderness. The NEMO Scout boasts a synthetic insulation that stays cozy even when wet, making it perfect for damp conditions. Its innovative thermogills allow you to regulate temperature without letting cold air in, ensuring a comfortable night's sleep. The ultralight design means you can pack it effortlessly on your backcountry trips, and its spacious footbox and snug hood provide ample room for a restorative night's sleep. Don't compromise on warmth, comfort, or weight. Choose the NEMO Scout Synthetic Ultralight Mummy Bag and elevate your camping experience to the next level. Sleep soundly, no matter where your adventures take you. Number 3. Survive Outdoor Longer Emergency Bivvy, your ultimate lifeline in unexpected outdoor emergencies. This innovative and compact bivvy is designed to keep you warm and protected when you need it most. Constructed with a highly durable, heat-reflective material, it acts as a thermal barrier, retaining up to 90% of your body heat, ensuring you stay warm even in the harshest conditions. The bright orange exterior enhances visibility for rescue teams, and its compact size means it fits easily in your backpack, glove compartment, or emergency kit. Whether you're a hiker, camper, or an outdoor enthusiast, the Survive Outdoor Longer Emergency Bivvy offers peace of mind in any emergency situation. Don't leave home without this essential piece of survival gear. It's your key to staying safe and warm in the great outdoors. Be prepared and stay protected with the Emergency Bivvy by Survive Outdoor Longer. Number 2. Camillus Carnivore X18 Survival Machete, a cutting-edge tool that redefines the limits of outdoor survival gear. Crafted with precision and innovation, this machete boasts an 18-inch titanium-bonded blade, ready to tackle the toughest challenges nature can throw at you. Whether you're blazing trails, building shelters, or chopping through dense foliage, the Carnivore X18 excels with its durability and versatility. The ergonomic handle provides a secure grip even in wet conditions, and the included sheath ensures safe storage and easy transport. This machete is designed for the serious outdoorsman, the survivalist, or anyone who demands top-tier performance from their gear. When it's time to conquer the wild, trust in the Camillus Carnivore X18 Survival Machete to be your reliable partner on your journey through the great outdoors. Dominate any terrain with confidence and precision. Number 1. Gerber Gear Ultimate Knife Fixed Blade Survival Knife with Firestarter. The pinnacle of fixed blade survival tools, now equipped with a built-in Firestarter. Crafted with uncompromising precision, this knife is the ultimate outdoor companion, designed to handle the most demanding wilderness situations. The high-carbon stainless steel blade stays razor-sharp, ready for any cutting task. The included Firestarter, securely housed in the sheath, ensures you can spark a fire when you need it most, providing warmth, protection, and sustenance. Its ergonomic handle offers a secure grip, even in wet conditions, and the versatile sheath includes an integrated diamond sharpener for on-the-go maintenance. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or an aspiring survivalist, trust the Gerber Gear Ultimate Knife to be your reliable partner in the wild. With this essential tool by your side, you're ready for anything Mother Nature throws your way. Dominate the outdoors with Gerber Gear.